Yo, today I will show you guys how to change the uh, automatic transmission fluid on the BMW 2003, which is the BMW 330xi. It's all-wheel drive. The dealers they say the BMW dealer they say it's a lifetime for this thing. You don't have to change, but that's not true. Cause it's coming with a filter. There's a filter here. Let's say if the lifetime warranty, why they coming with? They have the filter. This is the filter. Okay. The filter kit itself with a gasket, and the dealer is cost about $150, and the fluid itself costs about $12 per quart. That's too much. So I went to SNG Auto Part. They sell with the transmission filter kit with the gasket, and it's just only $60. And the sell the fluids only $6 per quart. So it saves a lot of money. And on this BMW here, you cannot just go out there and buy any fluid, any transmission fluid you want to. That's not the right thing to do. You need to here's the gasket for the transmission pan, and the filter here is coming with the kit. So you need to go into the dealership and have the go with the dealership BMW recommend with the fluid, which is so if you're not sure what you're doing, have your car jack it up and look under the transmission pan. You're gonna see it right down. It marked somewhere on the transmission pan that is what kind of fluids is recommended. So this is the 330xi, which is they use the dead run 6. So it's dead run 6 right here. You folks see it, and I will show you guys where that number located under the transmission pan in a minute. And in this BMW here, it doesn't have the dipstick that you will fill up the fluid from the top here to the transmission itself. You need to pump it underneath the car, which is I'll show you how to do a little bit. This is the BMW 330xi here. There's no dipstick that you can just refill the fluids from the engine compartment here. So everything needs to be done underneath. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, what I'm telling earlier that the number that the transmission fluid supposed to use is located right here, but I don't know why it's my label here was disappear. I'm telling you, total you need to that's a drain plug right there. So you need to use the this tool right here, ST 45. Let's go right there, and drain plug here. Unscrew it, that all the fluid gonna come down, and then you lose all the bolt here, which is use a 10mm socket around here, the transmission pan here, and just pop it out. And let's do it. This picture or so. So there will be some still a little fluid there inside the pan here, so need to be real careful. Okay, you're gonna see all kind of fluid was dripping down. Let's see. Look at that. Once you unplug the drain plugs, and when it stops dripping, but it's not empty from the pan, still have about half of the cup or a cup of oil, the fluid still inside the transmission pan here. So, and be careful for that. Okay, here is the filter here, the transmission filter. The reason they make the transmission filter here, because the pump gonna pump the fluid to feed the transmission when the car is running, and it's will shoot it out and filter here whenever we have the dirt or debris. They gonna filter here and clean the water. But folk will be careful. I will take out the filter here. I'll just pull it, yank it down. But when that's how you do. See? It's so dirty here. The BMW just say that you don't have to change this. But that is not true. And this is lasts for a lifetime, but that's, I don't know how the BMW make this thing. But all right, the transmission pan is down, the transmission filter is down And right now, just waiting to put the new filter. And I show you how to pump the fluid to the transmission and stuff. It doesn't have the dipstick or have anything that you could fill up from the top of the engine, but it doesn't have anything like that. This I'll show you in a minute. We need to go and clean up the transmission pan and the see. Okay, now the transmission pan is clean. The gasket is new gasket is on. That's how you put the new gasket in here. That's how you do. And it is time to go and put the new filter in. There we go. Here's the old seal that is out of there. So now it should be easier to go in for the new one. Get it in. All right, this is going to the garbage. Now the new one, it should be easily get in there. Oh, still need to put some there you go. Now it's staying in place. Let's see, still it should be good. Yeah. It's not hard at all, folks. We do this thing and you go into the dealership, they're gonna charge you a lot of money. And then BMW, it's not a joke. They're gonna charge you use a lot. And also they don't want to do it. They say it's a lot. Why you change the fluid? The fluid is lasts for a lifetime. But no. The car is runs about 200,000 miles. They want to tell me that it lasts for a lifetime. Just use a couple bolts to secure the pin. We went to drop it down. There you go. Secure it. And then make put this over it. Almost done, and right now I need to show you how to pump your fluid to the system. First, you see that the bolt right here. This bolt right here is take the 17 ratchets that you need to untight that, loose that one. Ooh, that one's so tight. Oh, there you go. And untight, loose this bolt. There you go. And then you use the pumper like this and hook up to the bottle to the cord, and you just stick that to the hole. And you pump slowly. You pump slowly. Don't go fast, folks. I'll do slowly until you see the transmission was like spit back, and that is the to tell that the fluid is in level. The manual say that, oh, the dealership they say it take 4.5 quart, but I don't know. It might take less than that, because you know, there you go. That's, yeah.
Done?
Yeah.
Want me to start it and then ship it?
Cool, hold on. I start the engine and let the engine run for a bit, and I need to shift through all the gear and then go check the level again. I'll shift the shifting gear through all the gear and let it sit in. Each gears have to sit about 10 to 30 seconds. And we're going to shift like 2 times, 3 times, do like this a couple times, and we'll go underneath and check the fluid level with the car running. Should be good. Careful, it's not tight here, it's hot. should be good. No, hold on. BMW 330 XI. Yes, the transmission fluid change is done. So it's